Hey, good morning guys. Happy Wednesday. So today's video is all about paint protection film and what it can do for your car. Now some people call them clear bras. Back in the day, they used to have these leather straps that go around the bumper and so forth. They were kind of tacky. Now it's all clear. And it's this clear film, as you can see, that's right here. Now these edges normally would lay down, but I'm going to replace this one. And I'm just going to point out a few things on you that you can look for, because here's what you're trying to do is get a real nice clean install. And overall, this install went pretty good, but there was a few blemishes over here. This is lifting a little bit, and he's got these little fingers right here that won't come out. We've got a few little air pockets. So we're going to try to get that out. Now, it looks easier than it is, but believe me, no one wants to have to pull this off and keep wasting materials and things of that nature to try to get the job perfect. Here's what we're aiming for: paint protection. We're not aiming for perfection in the install, but we do believe we can get this install a little bit better, so we're going to give it another shot. Hey, let us know if we can do anything for you, all right? You guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching the video.